How to turn bullet comments on or off for the following list on your REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are bullet comments from people you know lighting up your notification a little too much? Or maybe just you don't want to miss them? In today's video, I'll show you how to easily turn bullet comments on or off for people you know on the REDnote app. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your REDnote app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, you tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Next, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. And once you land on your settings page, all you need to do is tap on the privacy settings where you can control everything people see on your RedNote app. Now, once you get here, you'll have this option allow bullet comments from following. So if random people are spamming your comments with the bullet comments, then you can turn this on to only allow the people that you follow comment these bullet comments on your posts. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. Make sure that this is turned on and only the people you follow will be able to add bullet comments to your posts. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.